Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasiliki. In this video I'm gonna be showing you this easy purple smoky eye makeup look. For this tutorial I have used a new palette by Essence Cosmetics. It is called I Like to Mauve It. This palette retails for $4 and as the name indicates we have a mauvish color story. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more makeup tutorials and reviews, and share this video with a friend that likes soft smoky eye looks. I'm starting off with this shade in the corner and I'm gonna use it as my transition color. With a fluffy brush, I'm buffing the eyeshadow in the crease. I'm going back and forth and I'm just trying to create the base for all of the other eyeshadows. You can also use this shade to set your concealer if it matches with your skin tone. Now I'm picking up this cool toned shade with a smaller blending brush and I'm diffusing this in the crease area. This time I'm focusing on the outer part. I'm also adding some on the outer eyelid very close to the outer corner. I continue blending this shade outwards to elongate the eyes. Then I'm taking this shimmery shade with a beautiful color and with an eyeshadow brush I'm pressing on the eyelid except on the outer part of it. So basically I'm adding this shade on the 2/3 of the eyelid. Up next I'm taking a darker shimmery shade with another eyeshadow brush and this time I'm placing the eyeshadow on the outer eyelid. This is gonna give some dimension to the eyes. Every smoky eye look needs light and darker eyeshadows. Moving on to this cute little shade and I'm gonna diffuse it on the lower part of the eye. I'm using a small round blending brush to soften out this color even more. By placing eyeshadows on the lower eye, you can define your eye shape and make it more visible. I'm taking again this shade here and this time I'm going over the outer part of the lower lash line. This way I'm gonna uplift the eyes and give a more awake look to my slightly hooded eyes. In the palette this shade looks so light but you can use it to easily darken up your eye look. With the same brush I'm taking the transition shade and I'm going over the edges of the bottom line of the eye. This is gonna blend even more the previous eyeshadow and make it even more natural on my skin. Now I'm picking up the lightest shade of the palette and with this one I'm gonna highlight the inner part of the crease. This is a matte eyeshadow, not a shimmery one. After that I want to highlight the tear duct with this shade and I'm also blending some on the inner lower eye. This can make the eyes even bigger. Next I want to add some purple color to the waterline and I'm using an eye pencil. This can make the whole eye look more vibrant and interesting. To create the perfect wings I'm using the Catrice liquid liner in the shade Dating Joe Black. For mascara, I'm using the new Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara. This one has a fiber brush with an hourglass shape and it gives great volume and definition. I have done a comparison review for the 5 Essence Lash Princess Mascaras. You can find the video in the description box below. Then I'm taking the Hello Good Stuff Matte and Glow Bronzer by Essence and with this one I'm gonna contour my face and give definition. It is a very soft face product and it looks great on the nose as well. I'm using a smaller brush to define the sides of the nose. For blush, I'm taking the blush box by Catrice Cosmetics in the shade 20 Glistening Pink. I decided to go with a pink blush for the eye look because I think pink and purple is a nice combination. What color of blush would you pick for purple eyeshadows? To highlight my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette and I'm taking the shade Blossom Glow. You can also find this highlighter in an individual packaging. I'm diffusing this on the cheekbones, tip and bridge of the nose. I'm gonna show you 2 lipstick combinations for this eye look. The first one is what I already have on my lips. It is the Catrice Powerful 5 Glossy Lip Oil in the shade 30 Watermelon Sparkle. You can use a lighter lip shade if you want the eyes to be the focus of the makeup look. And the second option is a darker lip color. I'm lining the lips with the NYX Sweat Matte Lip Liner in the shade STFU. I'm also filling in the lips with a lip pencil and on top of that I'm adding the NYX Sweat Matte Lipstick in the shade STFU as well. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!